Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting protected and the machine ready. Put on helmet, gloves, and respirator. Secure the ground clamp to clean metal. Once done, attach argon and set flow to about 15-20 psi while checking for leaks. Make sure the tungsten is correctly ground and protrudes 2-4 mm from the cup. Insert the torch into the Easy-Flux and select AC for aluminum or DC for steel. Finally, set a conservative amperage. Use 7125, based on material thickness, and power the unit on. You now create and control the arc. Hold a short arc length and a 70 degrees torch angle. Initiate a steady foot or fingertip pedal to ramp to the set amperage. Once the puddle forms, feed filler wire into the leading edge while keeping travel speed steady to avoid undercut. Make fine adjustments. Increase AC cleaning if oxide remains, raise amperage for deeper penetration, or slow travel if the puddle runs ahead. Keep breath steady and watch puddle dynamics to guide changes. You finish by tapering the amperage and lifting the torch to break the arc cleanly. Keep post-flow on for 20-30 seconds to shield the weld as it cools. Once cooled, wire brush or pick slag and visually inspect for uniform bead shape and lack of cracks. If porosity appears, check and increase argon flow, replace contaminated filler or clean base metal, and verify torch cup size. Make sure connections and consumables are leak-free. Addressing gas or contamination fixes most flaws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.